Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So how are you guys? I hope that you are all fine and doing very well. So my dear friends, today I'm back again with another beautiful, another gorgeous, another stylish collection of tunic top designs for girls. So this is a very elegant, very beautiful and very nice collection, guys. You can see the prints, the designing is so much beautiful. I hope that you are going to love this collection and you're gonna find this collection very helpful for you and very useful for you. So guys, you can see these are floral printed, beautifully stitched and beautifully designed. So guys, just keep on watching this video till the end. Many more beautiful designs, many more beautiful ideas you will explore in this video. And I hope that you are gonna love this collection and you are gonna find this collection very helpful for you, very useful for you. So guys, you can see the designing is so much beautiful and these are very suitable for college going girls. They can wear these type of tunic tops and these are Korean style tunic tops, so these are loved so much. Their designing is so much beautiful and I hope that the girls from each and every country will love to wear such tunic tops. So guys, if you want to be updated by the latest fashion trends, latest dress designing ideas, so my channel is all about latest fashion trends. You will find hundreds of new designs, hundreds of new ideas daily on my channel. And I hope that you will also find them useful for you and helpful for you. So guys, if you are loving these beautiful tunic top designs, so please do also like my video, subscribe my channel if you have not subscribed yet, and if you have subscribed my channel, so please do also click the bell icon. So guys, after clicking the bell icon, you will get notifications of all of my videos and you will never miss any video, any collection on my channel. And I always try to bring useful videos and useful content for you, so don't forget to give your feedback in the comment section. Do tell me how is the video, how are the designs, and which type of more collections you want to watch on my channel. Which type of videos are more useful for you? Tell me all this in the comment section. And please do support me by sharing my video with your friends, with your relatives. And thanks for your appreciation on my previous videos. Thank you so much guys for your positive feedback. Your positive feedback encourages me and motivates me to bring more useful videos and more useful ideas for you. So thank you so much guys for watching my video. Keep visiting my channel for more videos, for more ideas and more collections. And don't forget to like and share my video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and also give your feedback in the comment section. So goodbye dear friends, till the next video. See you soon with a new collection of ideas and designs for you in the next video on my channel.